Wished I'd known you were coming. I got a job for you.
Ah.
You think you can pick up a backhoe?
Backhoe?
Yeah. A tractor with a...
Ah.
Weighs about 4 ton, maybe a bit
4
more.
ton. Ah, too heavy.
You think it's too heavy?
Too heavy. Too.
Oh, come in here.
Oh, come in here.
But it's over up on the hill over at Gary's place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll go and have a try.
Yeah.
That one behind, yep.
It'll all lift.
How you going, Gary?
How you going?
Good over here.
Not too bad. All done up with... Yeah, they electrify the vehicle. Yeah, and then they put... Yeah, I'll have a quick look at that.
Do you know what's the weight on this?
Any idea how heavy it'd be? Yeah, but only moving it from here down there, it won't fucking... All the hydraulics up. Yeah, these go up any higher. Yeah, they all been sitting for fucking months.
I didn't see if we can start it or...
I've only got a little one. It won't.
Oh, you won't start.
We'll come back with the truck and I'll bring a jump battery.
Okay.
And you can...
Okay, let's go. He promised to drive down the tractor and here. I'll wait here for him and he'll drive it here and I'll load him up. But he's gonna drive it down the bottom. He's gonna drive it and bring it up here and go up the hill. And I think they've started. Stop! Stop! Do you want to roll back a little bit? Can you roll that?
Yeah, once you get it up.
Oh yeah, okay.
No, it won't. Yes, it will. How much? It won't start if with the stop button pulled out. Put it out again. Oh, yeah, there you go. How far back do you want to go?
Just a little bit more, that's all.
Yeah, about another foot.
Because, yep. Okay.
Get it up. Have to take a little bit of pressure so you can take it out of gear.
Yeah. Yep, that'll do. Nice and steady here. Strap there. Chain in there. Alright, I'm good to go.
You ready to go?
Yep, ready.
No worries.
No worries, I'll see you next
I'll
time.
take Gary back to the house.
Okay.
Blue ute there and then back up and put it in on the grass there.
On the grass opposite the blue ute.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. I finally loaded that tractor that was heavy and heading to drop it off. Oh! It is lift. Yeah. Leave it on. It is not lifting. I'm going to take the winch off. He is going to pull it with the excavator. Yep. Yep.